somehow I convinced Shay to come tag along with me. What do you like and not like about the Leisure Travel Van?
Well, my favorite thing about it is
everybody. It's been a while since I've made any videos about my Leisure Travel Van, and I'm just heading home right now on vacation. I wanted to make a quick video letting you guys know the pluses and the minuses of ownership of a Leisure Travel Van. Most of the time I'm making videos about different RVs for sale and trying to, you know, find the latest and greatest, coolest RVs. But I thought I'd make a quick video today just showing you guys some of the stuff going on in my Leisure Travel Van. I've put about 14,000 miles on this RV since I bought it about 5 months ago. It's definitely been put to the test. Now, most of the time when I'm out RVing, the last thing I want to do is make a YouTube video because I'm enjoying myself. Sorry that I haven't made you guys more RV videos about the Leisure Travel Van, but thought today would be a perfect time to show you guys some of the things that I like and don't like about the Leisure Travel Van. So we're still a little bit of ways from town, enjoying this beautiful Arizona scenery. It is a lot more green than normal. We've been getting lots of rain. Got a little U-Haul truck here jamming up traffic, no big deal. Let's test the Leisure Travel Van and see how well it will pass, and we're getting past pretty quickly here. Now, if I was in my 42-foot Tiffin Phaeton, it wouldn't even be a thought of trying to pass this U-Haul van right now because there's no way I could do it in the Phaeton. But now we're gonna fall in where there's not too much traffic. Let's see if we could beat this U-Haul truck up the hill. So we're going 45 miles an hour right now, accelerating to about 50. Sorry, U-Haul truck, we gotcha. So one of the major benefits that I didn't think of before firing up the camera is the ability to pass slower vehicles going up a hill. Definitely not as fast as a car, but definitely not a lot to complain about. Now we're still a little ways from town, but I'm going to show you the best part of Leisure Travel Van ownership in just a moment. One of the best parts of being in a Class C Leisure Travel Van is, like right now, if I just decide I want to go to Wendy's, boom, just throw on the blinker. Now there is no way that I would be able to be pulling into this Wendy's parking lot last minute in a Class A little Penske truck right there. I mean, I guess technically if I really had to, I could probably make it, but I'm gonna even cut right through these parking spots. This is something that I would never even dream of doing in a Class A RV. And actually, I'm really not even that hungry for Wendy's, but I'm gonna get something just to show you guys, just for the principle here, how driving through. Do you want anything?
French fries.
What can I get for you today?
Yeah, can I get a medium French fry?
Okay.
And that's all.
That should be $2.94 the second window.
Thank you.
Sorry.
All right, so we're just pulling right in, as you can see. $3 for a medium French fries. I haven't bought French fries in a long time, but that is definitely taxed.
Does seem a little pricey.
A little bit. I appreciate it. Thank you. You too. Boom. How easy was that? Something never possible in my Class A Tiffin Phaeton that I had before. But I'm more shocked about the $3 French fries than I am being able to take the leisure travel van. So that's my main thing that I like the most about this van. Let's go back to the storage lot here, and I'm going to tell you a few of the things that I don't like about this and a couple other things that I do like. In the meantime, I'm gonna eat some of these French fries here. Okay, I'm really low on diesel fuel, and before I put the van into storage, I think it's always good to have a full tank of diesel. You never know when diesel prices are gonna skyrocket. So I'm gonna pull into this Circle K. Another thing, never ever would I even try to pull in a big bus into a Circle K. A funny story about this parking lot, I actually met one of my detailing clients in this parking lot. He had a Prevost bus and a trailer jackknifed right here. And see, look at this. We're just whipping around. All the pumps are full. There's a Prius at the diesel pump. All good. You know, that happens from time to time. Oh no, these diesel pumps are out of fuel. So we're going to have to wait for this little Honda. I don't know what it is. We're gonna have to make a little U-turn here. See, we're all over the place here in a Circle K parking lot. I've got to make a U-turn so that I can get in line on that diesel pump. Backup camera there, just golden. Oh, we're gonna let this guy go first here. He didn't realize how quick this leisure travel van would be moving around here. Just whipping it around in this Circle K parking lot. All right. Another huge benefit that I wasn't even planning on filming, but it just happened that I ran out of fuel, or got on the empty sign here. Could never do this in a Class A, but all good. So when we get back to the storage lot, I'm going to tell you guys some more things about this coach. Could never have a Class A in here. I guess you could, but $3.09 a gallon for diesel in Arizona right now. $3.69 for premium. Not too bad. But I'm more shocked about the $3 French fries than.
We got 1, 2, 3.
Oh crap! I left this window open. Whoops. Now here's a prime example of a drive-through that I would not be able to go through. This is my local Mickey D's here. Unfortunately, it's a 9-foot clearance, so that would not work. But a huge shout out to Wendy's for making sure that they can have oversized vehicles in the drive-through. But I'm more shocked about the $3 French fries than. So another major benefit that I didn't think about either is I've got to stop at my condo and unload some stuff before dropping the RV off at storage. Check out how easy this is. So there's the RV. Here's the door to the RV. And there's the front door to my condo. I would never be able to pull my big Class A RV here into this parking lot. Okay, so I just got my RV back to storage. Now, one of the real nice convenient things about this coach is it's very small, very easy to clean. The silver colors are easy to clean. I need to make another video all about cleaning it. Now, at the gas station I mentioned, I messed up and I left this frameless window open. Now, that's actually one of the things that I really like about this coach is it's got the windows that you can vent up. And even when it's raining outside, you can still get some fresh air coming through here without having to worry about water getting into that window. So let me show you guys some other things inside. Now, actually, before we go inside, out here is gonna be the propane compartment. That's actually one of my big complaints about this coach is the generator actually runs off of propane. So it seems like I'm always testing the propane levels as well as the water levels. Both the freshwater, gray, and black tanks fill really quickly, especially compared to my Class A motorhome. So one of my complaints is that I wish that this particular unit had the diesel generator. I think it's a little bit louder and requires more maintenance. I have had a hard time finding places to fill propane. So one of my kind of complaints is I had a diesel generator in my big 42-foot Tiffin Phaeton, and I could run that thing for days without having to worry about it. But let's go inside and I'll show you guys what's going on inside some of the things that I like and don't like. Huge thing that I love about this is this huge compartment here. I've got all kinds of cleaning stuff stuffed in there right now, but lawn chairs, extra diesel fuel, all kinds of good stuff. But going inside, and this awning is awesome. The blue lights at night. I should have been taking more pictures. I was just staying, actually some friends had an Airbnb, had this in the driveway of an Airbnb, worked out great. Let's go inside, let me show you what is going on here. Let's get these lights going on here. So the Murphy bed, now I'm gonna have to actually put this down. Let me show you guys how quickly I can put this Murphy bed down here. I'm gonna take these two cushions, throw them up here. This has not been detailed either. I do need to get this thing detailed. Spin these chairs around. Now, these were making a rattling noise in this position, so that's why I did switch them around. But actually, as I'm going around here, I have to show you guys real quick. One of the things I love about this is these USB ports. So whether you're sitting in the chair or you have the bed down, you've got a charger port right there. So I'm gonna put this down just so I can close this window before I store it. So you can see how quickly and easily I was able to put this bed down. Now I'm just gonna turn this little knob, and when you're laying in bed and you wanna get some fresh air, you can open up one of these. And then also another thing I love about this is this huge vent right here. And right now it's just covered storage, but usually you can get a lot of airflow through here. So one of the main advantages to this is this huge skylight that you can get a lot of airflow combined with those frameless windows. I'll put this back up, show you guys how quickly I can get this back up. You just pull this little cord right here. And I leave it made there so you can have all your sheets and your comforter on that and then not have to worry about it once it's made. So other than that, those are the things I really like and don't like about this coach. Holding tanks are a little small, so propane, I'll show you guys where I have to. Up here is where I'm always testing. To turn my water pump off. My LPG's at 46, black at 38, gray at 17. No, fresh, only 14 already? We already went through a whole, literally 2 showers and washing our hands a few times. Already went through an entire freshwater tank. So that's one of the huge disadvantages. Somehow I convinced Shay to come tag along with me. What do you like and not like about the Leisure Travel Van?
Well, my favorite thing about it is it's extremely functional. So this actually pushes out, so it gets a lot larger in here. So you can see we can still walk by each other. We have the 2 dogs in here. There's a lot of space. Back here, as far as the closet goes, I'm convinced that both of us could actually climb in here if we had to hide from a bear.
Do you want to climb into the closet and see?
Let's see.
Yeah, that was a conversation. I don't know. We probably could both climb in there.
Sat like this.
That's a lot of closet space there. One of the other things I like about this Leisure Travel Van as well is those lights in the shower. Definitely give it a cool glow at night. All right, Shay, what do you not like about the Leisure Travel Van?
Let's see, if I had to pick something, we're not super familiar with how to use the stove, to be completely honest with you. So we've tried it out a couple times. The flame, I just can't seem to get it right. It kind of scared us both a little bit. And I don't think that's anything to do with the Leisure Travel Van though. It's more so a user error situation. Aside from that, honestly, with just the 2 of us and the dogs, that's plenty of space. So we spent, what, 8 days is the longest in here, and I felt like we could do another week. I know you were ready to get back.
True story.
But yeah, I love it. I mean, as far as sitting up here, the chairs are super comfortable. I don't have any complaints, so.
All right, no complaints.
No, I'm all about van life.
All right. So that's an honest opinion. We got Shay's opinion too. Please drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about the Leisure Travel Van, if you like it or don't like it, or if you see any other things that we may have missed that are good or bad about the Leisure Travel Van. So I greatly appreciate all of you subscribing to the channel and liking these videos. I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.
Thank you, everyone.